What's up, guys? Back with another Twinmotion tutorial. I'm going to show you not only how to create your landscaping for your renderings, but also how to download Maxtree for free. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so as you can see, we're at maxtree.org, and just kind of looking through their site, they have a lot of different full quality, high poly models and even low poly models as well. Guys, this is not a sponsorship. I'm just kind of showing you exactly how I downloaded Maxtree and just kind of your options. So they also have all your plugins here as far as your different softwares you can use, and it shows you how to adapt to your workflow. So really useful. But all right, so what you'll do is you can go to collection, go to high poly or low poly. I don't think it really matters. And when you go to categories here, go to the drop menu and go to free, and you just go to filter, and it's going to filter out anything that's free that you can download on Maxtree. And here you go. This is the plant models of volume 60, and click on that, and it will show you that it's $0. You can download it. I've already downloaded, so it's not going to show me where I can download it again, but it has their names, the different types of plants, and the heights, and it was very useful. It came with, if you download the PDF version of it, it shows you the image of each of the plant models, and really was happy with it. So all right, so let's get to the video so I can show you exactly how I applied Maxtree plant models in my scene. All right, so we're back in Twinmotion, and I'm going to show you how to import your Maxtree plant models into your scene. I'm just kind of hovering it over here just to kind of set up my scene here, because I'm going to show you how to apply your Maxtree plant models into the scene. All right, so first thing you want to do is you want to import your Maxtree plant models once you have downloaded them. All right, so you go to import, and I use the FBX files. So whatever file that you're using or file type, you will go to the plus sign, and you can go to your files and you'll open it, and then it will automatically download into Twinmotion once you do those steps. Guys, don't forget to hit that like button for me and subscribe. And if you want to also visit renderreboot.com, we'll show you some useful models. This model in particular is on my website as well, so check it out. Got a lot of free resources on there as well. All right, so now after you already imported your 3D plant model from Maxtree and you already imported everything, so how I approached it was that I went to my user library and I created a folder called Maxtree. So I already downloaded a couple of the Maxtree options that was provided for free, and I'm going to show you exactly how to apply that to your scene. So you go to Populate, and you can choose if you want to do your trees or your bushes or your other small plants, and you can see their names, the differences. Here we want to do bushes here, so I'm going to drag and I'm gonna put that over here by the Populate. All right, so you can click on it, and you can split them up as well. So you can go to three dots here and you hit split. So now when you hit split, it's gonna show you our different options and just kind of showing the variation. So all right, so you will click on place and spacing, and then we're going to start here, and you can just drag and drop. Just kind of whatever kind of flow that you're looking for. And once you are done or picking your endpoint, you can hit escape. All right, so one of the problems you notice is that we have a bush that's up here and we have some that is already generated down here. All right, so to fix that, because that was driving me crazy, I didn't understand why the bushes were attached above my roof line. So you scroll down here and you see this little guy right here, it says snap to surface. You want to uncheck that. All right, so when you uncheck that and drag it out a little bit, you can see that now it's fixed. So if you go closer to your facade or your wall, what happens is that if you have your snap to surface, these bushes or trees will start to pin to a line, or they will snap to the upper surfaces above your 3D model. So that was something that kind of bothered me a little bit, but we figured it out. So another cool thing is that now that we have our plant models in from Maxtree, you can also play with some of the adjustments here. So you can go to path tension, you can tighten up kind of your lines. So if you want this to be a little loose or curvy, you can adjust that where it doesn't have a lot of tension there. So as you can see, the adjustment that I'm making there. So we'll keep it all the way at 100%. And also you can change by count or by distance. So by count, you can change how many you want, and it's gonna increase the amount of 3D model plants from Maxtree that we have. And as you can see the results there, we can zoom in just a little bit. So you don't want that many. So I believe I did just a few, just to kind of not make it look like it was just too cluttered and too much. But you can do by distance as well. As you can see, it separates farther apart when you increase the amount of distance that you want, or you can bring it back down. So it can work different ways for you. Just all depends on the look that you're looking for. Guys, don't forget to smash that like button for me and subscribe. Also, you can scroll down here, you have settings per object. You can change the scale, offset, random scale. You also got your height offset and your random height. So you can play around with these just to kind of see what kind of results you want, but I'm not gonna go that far. I think that this looks pretty good. Okay, so now that I kind of showed you Maxtree, I'm going to show you what I use to create this flower bed right here by our door entry. So we can go to library, vegetation, and then we can go to our search bar, and I believe I used the lasagna, I'm saying that right, lasagna flowers. All right, so it didn't come up, but if we take away flowers, then it appears. All right, so here, just a quick and drag and drop, and you kind of want to make it random. You don't want to make it look too uniform, because then it won't look as realistic. So the ideal of it is kind of use random sizes, and you can adjust the size here if you want to. If you want it big, or adjust it really small. So, and that is it, guys. I hope you liked the video. I hope you learned something, and don't forget to hit that like button for me, hit the notification bell, and we'll be back with another one.